You make me go loco, baby, yeah, that makes me crazy, yeah, that makes me crazy, yeah, that makes me. You make me go loco, baby, yeah, that makes me crazy, yeah, that makes me crazy. You make me go loco, you make me go loco.
Welcome to the channel. This morning we're headed to Austin. What are we going for? For Stumping for Trump, we're going to pick up Tulsi Gabbard and Danika Patrick. We're headed to Atlanta and we're headed to Pennsylvania today. It's a busy couple days before the election. Don't forget to get out there and vote for Trump. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Kamala doesn't get elected, which I don't think she will. Tulsi Gabbard, that's my bet. Now, I didn't buy this thing for full price. Let's just be clear. I got a bargain. I actually bought it from the owners of the Venetian, Marian Adelson, after Sheldon died. And we changed the tail number, actually, but I'm not going to give you that tail number because you guys all follow me around. Welcome to Austin, everybody.
Yeah.
The local time is 1:38. This is so 1980s. Tulsi is common sense. Plain and simple, common sense. Things are logical. She's been in the military, she's a lieutenant colonel, but she doesn't want to be at war. She wants to have strength, but she doesn't want to just use the strength for no reason. She's not a warmonger, she's not a war hawk. She cares about America. She's logical. We are in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Tulsi, Sage Steele, Danika Patrick, Mr. Trump. There is a huge crowd. Like when you went out here, if you went out there and make a right, it goes all the way down. It's like the Super Bowl. There's so many people here. It's incredible. I don't know how this guy doesn't win.
Taylor to lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
The biggest turnout ever. If you haven't, we need you to get out and vote on Tuesday. Don't wait. And they stay there.
We the people. That is a call to action, my friends. They reminded us that our governments only exist with the consent of the government.
Just 3 years ago, I said, Uncle, how many Chevrolets do we have in Berlin? Why, I don't believe you have any. I said, you're right about that, Uncle. You think that's fair?
We just a few days before election. Now, how y'all feel today? Good?
Got a few middle fingers thrown at us with our red MAGA hats on it. I'm like, bring it. I mean, that's all they got because they don't want to talk about the facts. They don't want to talk about the policy, so they just.
And then they criticize President Trump because he doesn't talk like that. Or he doesn't sound like nice or proper when he speaks. But what I know, and my husband is like, he's a cinematographer, he doesn't engage with, the whole political scene outside. I'm grateful to have his support, but it's one of the reasons why in the very beginning, he was like, God, I really like that guy, because he's real.
Yes.
You can agree or disagree with something that are enshrined in our nation's founding documents.
We're in Atlanta. About to go to a women's event. Tulsi Gabbard, Laura Trump, Danika Patrick. There's a few others. We're here for Trump. Election's only a couple days away.
Hello, everybody. Hello, Georgia. How are we tonight? Backstage, first up, the co-chair of the Republican National Committee, Laura Trump. Recently turned Republican, Tulsi Gabbard. And lastly, but surely not least, Danika Patrick.
There's such a desperation on the other side, and so to encompass all women that support him and say that they are weak or unintelligent is just wildly wrong, and or Joe Biden calling everyone garbage that supports him.
Hey, cheer wine. Look at that. Do they have cheer wine here? Holy smokes. Do you guys have cheer wine here?
They have it next door.
Oh my God.
What is it?
They have cheer wine. I don't see any cold cheer wine.
I don't even know what it is.
It's so good.
Really? Oh, at the bottom, at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
Do you have diet cheer wine or regular cheer wine? Holy smokes.
Is it a Coke? What is it? Well, now I gotta taste
Is
it.
it carbonated?
Yeah, it's so good.
Thanks, Todd. So we've already
There you go. One for him. Is that it? That's everybody? You a Trump fan?
I have to try it.
I was with him live yesterday.
Wait, really?
Yeah, that's why we're here.
Yeah.
You're about to meet Tulsi Gabbard. You're going to meet Danika Patrick. Sage is going to be here. Sage Steele. We'll be with Trump tonight in Pittsburgh.
And The Rock, right?
You like Trump or who you like?
That's a rock.
You Kamala girl?
You better say Trump.
You like Kamala?
See, here they are.
Information. Didn't get to Vegas. Look us up.
What about me? When I get to Vegas?
Maybe if you give me a give me a private. You're in luck. He has one. You want to see it? Yeah. Let me show you his.
That was great.
Incredible transformation in your heart, in your mind. You're going to have a new perspective on your job and your obligation and your duty as free citizens of the United States of America. So with that said, please, I need you to do me the biggest favor. I need the volume turned up on your cheers. Please bring to the stage Tulsi Gabbard, Danika Patrick, and Sage Steele.
Thank you so much. How about it for September, the man? A few minutes with us on the eve of the most important election of our lives. So we vote. How many voted already? Nice. Call people who might feel a little bit too busy to go out and vote and tell them, hey, I will drive you there. I've had the great privilege of being able to travel across the country and visit with great Americans who deeply love our country, who cherish freedom and peace, and who are committed to standing together, not as Democrats or Republicans, but as Americans.
This person that's not consistent. We need consistency and predictability, and someone that's going to tell the truth.
Silence. Until what? Until they cross the line. For me, I didn't know, I said this last night, I didn't know what that line was until they crossed it. And then it was like, no, not okay.
The night before the election, we're in Pittsburgh. It's a huge crowd. There's like 30,000 people. Holy shit, there's a ton of people. Let's go, Trump. You got it.
They have everything for your men to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You can get yourself clean. You can have a good meal. You can do whatever you feel. Young man.
And here with you, standing proud to support the President of the United States, who is fighting for the people,
who is fighting for peace and who has in his heart putting America first.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there. Ludacris going in on the verse.
We're here at Trump headquarters. They just announced Fox is projected as the winner. We were last 4 days hardcore for Trump. We were in North Carolina, we were in Atlanta, we were in Pennsylvania, we were in Lancaster, we were in Wisconsin, we were everywhere. Tulsi, wow, what a warrior. Danika Patrick, Sage Steele, all warriors. It was incredible, and there's incredible energy here. It's a landslide. It looks like it's a Band-Aid basically that we're not going to put up with the nonsense of women being guys being in girl sports. We're not going to put up with the nonsense of taxing gains that you haven't sold yet. All the nonsense from the Democratic Party, and hopefully you can clean it up and drain the absolute insanity of the system. And it's okay to love the country. It's okay to love the United States. It's okay to love the world and not demonize everyone. All you celebrities, whatever, you're irrelevant, and that's the point.
No matter what, got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there.